Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to explain what is pipe. So pipe is basically it's very powerful feature in Angular. Like in our requirement, if we want to transform our user interface, then we can usually use pipes for that. Like if you need to transform, or we can say that if you need to change any formats, if you need to uh, better experience from the user experience, and that kind of things we can use pipes for that. So we have multiple types of pipes here. So I'm going to show you how many types of pipes we have. So these are the Angular built-in pipes. We have date pipes, we have uppercase pipe, we have lowercase pipe, currency pipe, decimal pipe, percentage pipe, JSON pipe, slice pipe, and a sync pipe, title case pipe. So many more pipes that is built in Angular. So as per your project requirement, if you want to change uh, appearance of the data before presenting to the user, then you can use pipes for that. So I have already prepared some examples, and I will show you more examples to the pipes. So here you can see that currently, like I'm using first name, last name. Like if our requirement, if I need to display first name and last name in the uppercase, then we can use simply we can put uh, the the symbols, and we can use the uppercase text to convert the first name and last name to the uppercase. And we have one more examples, like if you need to show any mathematical data to the percentage, like if you need to show number in the percentage, suppose this is the original my number and this is the my number. If I need to show then my number to the percentage, then we can use percent pipes. So currently I am using a stand-alone project. So in the stand-alone, if you are using a stand-alone project, here you can see that in the component decorator, we have a stand-alone project true. Then you need to import the pipes, like if like I'm using uppercase pipe, similarly in the lowercase, currency pipes, date pipes, slice and title case pipes. So you need to import the pipes here, and also you need to uh, put the pipes in the Angular formats. But if you are not using a standalone component, then might be you don't need to import, because this is the built-in Angular. So here you can see that. So if I'm going to save and then show you, here you can see that uh, the first name and the last name showing in the uppercase. If I change that else, here you can see that. So if I need to put some space here, okay, first name and the last name, just yeah. So here you can see that we have showing in the uppercase. We have, because we are using uppercase pipe. And similarly in the percentage pipe, so we have the original number 0.2343, and if we use a percentage pipe, then it's converted to the 23%. And also similarly, if you use lowercase in the same things, in same, here you can see that the text is showing as per the lowercase pipe. And similarly, if I use a title case pipe, right? So you can see that. So showing the title case in the camel case, you can see that. So if I the name Ramesh, here you can see that this is the title case. Similarly, I'm going to show you the date pipeline. So I'm just copying the format, right? And now I'm use date pipes. So I have already create one variable for the current date. So I'm using just we need to pass the input current date, right? And use the pipe date, right? So here you can see that. So we have September 24, 24. So similarly, I am going to change the this one. So this is the date pipe examples. Here you can see that. So original date we have also showing the some Indian Standard IST time, but you can see that on the September 24, 25, right? And suppose if I use other type, we can see that we can use a slice if I need to in our requirement, right? If I need to slice some strings, this is the example of slice pipes. So I put welcome to the coding, right? And similarly, I can use the slice pipe, and we need to 0 to 4. So you can see that in the slice pipe, sorry, 0 to 5. Okay, so we don't need to put in the string format. So we need to just put. Okay, so here in the slice, so this is the input. Welcome to the orbit of the coding, and we are going to slice from 0 index to 4. So you can see that in the slice pipe, slice not so good. Here you can see that. So this is the original text. Welcome to the orbit, and we have slice 4 0 to 4 index. So it sliced the whole strings, and it's showing only 4. And now if I am going to slice 8, so you can see the whole welcome letters. And I want to slice from 2, 2 index. So here you can see that. Yeah. So this is the use of pipes. If you have any questions, please put it in the inbox box, and we are trying to solve the questions. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.